Hi everyone, it's Raleigh. Today I'm doing a toy review of Lego Elves, Aira's Creative Workshop. And this cost me $13 Canadian, and it's for ages 7 to 12. This is my first Elf set. I picked it out because it looked like it had a lot of cool accessories. So I'm going to crack it open. And similar to my last video, which was the Lego Batman, I'm going to fast forward through me actually making it because it might take me a little while. I'm getting better with each set. But here's a little look at the booklet. Here I go. And here we are. It took me about 20 minutes to get it all together, but it was pretty easy. And I was really impressed with all the unique pieces that they have for this, similar to the Batman Lego that I opened a little while ago. So let's have a look at each part. So there she is, Aira. And that is how you pronounce her name, I checked. Lego actually has some great videos about this series. Really pretty with her lavender hair and her little elven ears. So here's the work table, and her character loves to kind of problem solve and design stuff. She's really creative. This is a really cool little desk. So it's got the ruler and the scissors, the little, I think that's like for a fountain pen, and then the little drawer that opens up in the bottom where you can put some either inks or potions in there. Really cute little set. And then we have this piece as well. So this is where her little bird sits. And I'm sorry, I didn't find out what his or her name was. Some of you probably know. It also comes with, so there's a little drawer there with a letter inside. And this part's really cool. This little kind of drawer shelf where a little cookie or something can come out. And it comes with this little piece as well that you can use as a chair or a little table. And then this was probably one of my favorite parts. All the set is really neat. So she's made her own so she can fly. She's made her own little, it's almost like a jetpack but with wings. So let's put her in it and see how it looks. Isn't that fantastic? And it's got a little thing, she winds herself up so she can go flying. Fantastic little set. I think I'm going to have to get another one of these. Overall, I think it's a great value. There's lots of cool pieces. It's a great play set on its own, and there's lots of opportunities to make your own creations. I think it's a good buy for Lego fans and creative kids. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. See you soon.